Stand with your feet hip width apart, weight evenly balanced. Allow your breath to settle, smooth and steady. Start with a dynamic forward fold. As you inhale, sweep your arms out to the sides and upwards, and exhaling, fold forwards, catching one wrist behind your back. Inhaling, return to upright, and as you exhale, fold forwards again, catching the opposite wrist. Let the inhalation carry you back up, and then slowly exhaling, lower both arms. Step your right foot back and take a warrior stance, maintaining this open, assertive pose as you breathe slowly out and back in again. Exhaling, lower your arms and straighten your left leg, stepping forward. Now as you inhale, sweep your arms overhead at the same time as raising your heels, and exhaling, leave the arms raised but lower the heels back to earth. With an exhalation, lower your arms and interlace your fingers behind your back. Breathe, feet grounded, heart open. Again, sweeping your arms to the side, raise your heels, and then with an exhalation, lower only your heels back to earth. The inhale opens from the inside out. Slowly exhaling, lower your arms. Now step your left foot back. And again, establish a warrior stance, taking support on the outside edge of the left foot. The inhale opens from the inside out. Lower your arms and straighten your right leg, stepping forwards back to your starting position. And finishing this sequence with another Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhaling, sweep the arms up, and as you exhale, take a soft forward fold, letting your fingertips lightly touch the earth. Wait for an inhalation to carry you back to upright. Join your palms together overhead, and slowly exhaling, draw them down into the center of your chest. Pay attention to how you feel and prepare for another round. Starting with a dynamic forward fold. First, folding forwards, holding one wrist. Second, folding forwards and catching hold of the opposite wrist behind your back. Now step your right foot back and get ready for Virabhadrasana, Warrior One. Step your right foot forwards once more and take a Tadasana variation, raising the arms and raising the heels. Leave the arms raised as you lower just the heels. Allow the breath to open from the inside. Exhale the arms down, interlace the fingers behind your back and gently lift the center of your chest. Releasing the fingers again, inhale, sweep the arms up and raise the heels. Leave the arms raised as you exhale, heels back to earth. Allow the breath to move inside you. Exhaling, lower the arms, then step the left foot back and take Virabhadrasana 1, the warrior pose. Open, assertive, steady. Let the breath move inside you. Stepping forward once more. Prepare to take Uttanasana, the forward fold. Sweeping the arms up, folding forwards. This time let your head and neck release. Allow your spine to fall down like a waterfall over the legs. Use an inhale to come back to standing. Join the palms overhead. And exhaling, guide the joined palms down into the center of your chest. Well done.